are several faceless YouTube channels making thousands of dollars using talking avatar to spice up their content. Ever wanted to create a talking avatar that looks super cool like me but thought it was too complicated? Well, guess what? It's actually way easier than you think. Imagine having an AI version of yourself, or even a completely new character talking in your videos without ever showing your face. Whether you're a content creator, a teacher, a business enthusiast, or just someone who wants to have fun with AI, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Stick around, like and subscribe, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to bring your own talking avatar to life. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate your avatar image. First, we need an avatar image. For this, I'll be using Microsoft Bing Image Creator because it's free, but you can use other AI image generators if you prefer. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Enter a detailed prompt describing your avatar and click Create. Once the images are generated, choose your favorite one and save it to your device. Meanwhile, Bing generates images in a 1:1 aspect ratio, square, which isn't ideal for YouTube videos. If you're using the avatar for other social media, you can skip the next step. But for YouTube, we need to adjust the image size. Step 2. Resize your avatar to 16 by 9. To make your avatar fit a YouTube video format, we'll use Leonardo.ai. Go to Leonardo.ai and sign in or create an account. Click on Image Generation and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Enter your prompt, click Generate. Choose the best image and download it. Step 3. Remove the background in CapCut. Next, we'll remove the background so the avatar blends well with our video. Open CapCut, download it if you don't have it. Import your avatar image and place it on the timeline. Adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. Import a background image and place it below the avatar. Make sure your avatar sits on the background. Select the avatar image and click Auto Cutout on the right side. The background will be removed in seconds. Adjust the image as needed, click Export and save your new avatar with the background. Alternatively, you could generate your avatar directly in Leonardo.ai because it allows you to create images in 16 by 9 from the start. However, Leonardo limit you to a number of coins each day, which required you to acquire paid version for limitless access. Meanwhile, you could still make do with the available coins to generate your avatar. Step 4. Generate voice for your avatar. You can record your voice directly in any audio recording app or editing software. There are several text-to-speech softwares you can use to generate voice for your avatar. I recommend using Clipchamp or 11 Labs for realistic AI voices. Open Clipchamp and click Record and Create. Select Text-to-Speech from the options. Paste your script into the text box. Choose a voice style available here. Click on Save button at the bottom here. The voice will be generated. Preview to be sure it's what you want.
Several faceless.
Label the voice over at the top here. Click on Export. You could use MP4. This is perfect for easy integration. Step 5. Create the talking avatar. Now, let's bring our avatar to life using DupDub. open DupDub on Google or download the mobile app. Sign in with Google and answer a few setup questions. Click on AI Avatar and upload your image. Click on Upload Audio and select the voice recording you saved earlier. Preview the talking avatar and click Generate. Wait a few seconds, then download your animated avatar.
Up their content ever wanted to create a talking avatar that looks super cool like me, but thought it was too complicated? Well, guess what? It's actually way easier than you think.
And that's it. You now have a fully animated talking avatar for your YouTube videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss updates. I'll see you in the next video.